kuba ebinnyo okunnimba.
Oh, you can move down? There you go.
Thank you.
If you can get into his office,
Oh,
then the rest can wait around here. About 4 people only.
Big eye challenge. When you got brown white.
Kidogo twara koka mo. Twara koka. Kwa kambiki
But it's okay, right? That's
Wow. As they receive before.
How? Ndakusoka oyogere webaza abagenyi bebaze bakiretedde bava mu community stores nebyo babakoledde ng'aba nange nja kwongereza ku kya hawa. First of all, I want to take this opportunity to kubebaza mwena mwena yemutuletedde because Madam Samari Kidinga wagambye nti omuntu okuvayo okututondera ebintu si kyangu. era mujjukira bwe nagenda ku stage bantu baali bangi nnyo nga bali mu masanyu gaabwe naye bwe nayogera ekigambo kimu abamu baasirika because bamanyi kyamwana aliko obulemu kyayitamu. Mwalimu ne baparents era tunako ne parent omu ali mukumu azze. So just want to thank you once again for taking that chance to give a hand to a child with a disability. Era ne bakasitoma bonna be mulina era tujja kugamba nti era tujja genda ne WhatsApp ne Facebook tugambe nti comedy stores yakoze ki yatuwadde ebintu ate bino biva mu bakastomers tebiva mu mmwe omuwayo buwi bonna bakola ki ne batuwa. So thank you so much. We can't take it for granted and please we urge that we become our ambassadors. Mubeere ambassadors abaana bano because omwana ngono kati mumulaba yayise through a lot of operations. A lot of operations. Kati watukidde wano ne million gye mutuwadde jja kwesanga ng'ewali katono kekoze ki kemuyambyeko okutuuka nga abeera mu baana abalala abalina ebigere byonna nga bitukirira. So thank you so much. Bazadde mwenna tweyanzizza nnyo okubeerawo ebintu bino byammwe byonna era zino sente genda zihanding over finance ezitereke ebeere ng'ezituyambako okugula ebyokulya okukola ki in the case of anything. Batugambye is 1 million nesinagibalamu million emu. So mwebale nnyo mwebale ddala. Abazadde era bagambye nti bagenda tuwayoko n'obutebe obw'okutuulako bajja kubuleeta. Ndoza mujja tuwangayo kwa kadde tugendeyo 1 minute mu comedy stores mujja tuwayo ndoza corporate. Wali abasaafu abanyumira nnyo okujja okusekako keeyo. Wamu natuwaddeyo corporate bagenda corporate unlimited.
naye okuba tujja kubawa
ojja twebale nnyo
Okay, I think
nange oluganda lulabulamuko naye ate ono omusingako njagala kubeebaza banange munyambe tukube abakulembera Ekatalemwa. Aba comedy store Mami Benard tukwatagana so ndowooza ffe tubadde tuzze wano nga gwe mulundi gwaffe ogusoose okujja ne tulaba nga twagala twetegereze kuba twatiisa naye nga tugenda nti naffe yadde waliwo ekiriwo naye tugenda kugezaako naffe nga bwe tusobola okubaako betusaba nti mujje mutukwatireko naffe tulabe kino nga bwe tusobola okitambuza ne tweyongeralyoko n'akatono akaliyo ne bakatuwa naffe tukaliramuwa. So njagala kubeebaza mwenna abakulira wano byonna bye mukola byamaanyi ate nze nga akolagana n'aba comedy store naffe tulowooza tutandika butandisi katusabe bawandiikayoko ku mabaluwa ku bannaffe betukolagana nabo okuva mu nsi z'ebabweru n'awalala. So ndowooza omunaddamu tulaba wano tujja kubanga ate nze nga twetikidde ddala ekyo nekisoboka. Ebyo ebitono tweyanza nnyo tulambuza n'otulaga byonna ebiri wano. Mukama akuume.
And I hope that you will win. I want to welcome you once again to this place. This is Ekatalemwa. This is a rehabilitation center for children with disabilities, like you've seen. This home is making Actually, it's making 50 years this year. So it's a very old home. It has been doing rehabilitation work. That has been our commanded, medical rehabilitation. And we've seen so many children go through this home. Many of them are now adults. And much as our home, what is medical rehabilitation, but we also provide other services like educational support, livelihood support. I don't know whether you visited the tailoring room. Yeah, and also we have a piggery, we have some other domestic, I mean we have some other animals that we rear. But we also don't do work here alone, but we do most of the work in the community. So the parents you see here are just a representation of the so many parents and children that we see out in the community. We usually conduct outreach clinics. Every month we conduct 2 or 3 outreach clinics where we go out and we meet the children in the communities, and the parents are taking services near to where these parents come from. And you find on a single clinic in one day we may see over 70 children, parents. Even here we have specialized clinics, and in some of those clinics we see over 100 parents and the children. We need just one. So the problem is big, and this is, like I said, just a small fraction. There's so many parents and children suffering out there. Like I already introduced myself, my name is Samantha Tobu. This home has a capacity of 56 staff that work here. Some of the staff are here. Can you please raise your hands for information? I know we have medical personnel, we have those who do administration work, we have support staff, the cooking, the cleaning. As you've seen, we have an acreage of 6 acres. We are sitting in 6 acres. Even just maintaining this place is not very easy. And the home has a lot of needs. Apart from the running costs, the administration and salaries for the staff, but even maintaining the home in terms of cleanliness, I think you will appreciate that our place is clean, much as it is old. So we need a lot of support in this home. Our buildings are old, we need painting, we need renovation, and really appreciate whoever has contributed to this home. So in a year we usually we serve over 15,000 children, both here and in the community. But like I said, most of the children are down there in the community. Ekatalemwa, being what it is, usually receives parents who are very vulnerable. We have other centers like Koso. I think you've heard Koso. Yes. Those who have money, we always go to Koso because a single surgery may cost 3 million. And those who can afford just go straight there. But once you see a parent coming through Ekatalemwa, you just know that they need a helping hand to support them to be able to either acquire the surgery or physiotherapy or any service. So most of the clients who are here, at least Ekatalemwa has subsidized on whatever they are paying for. We usually write donors, we write proposals, and well-wishers also like you usually come and donate to the home, and then we write proposals to some of the organizations that give funds, and when the proposals go through, that's how we receive the funding to support some of the parents and the children. When I received information in December, I think it was Prosi who said that you had called. It was quite a busy period by then because we are winding up the year. But then Prosi told me that, I received a call from Comment Store, Uganda, that they want to come and donate to them. Then I said, oh, that is very good. Then I said, just link up with them because we are a bit busy. But then she went on following it up, and I think Ben joined her. I was so excited. It is very rare to find people out there who are enjoying their life. For us, when we see comedy, we think people are enjoying, they don't have stress. Yeah. because you help us to become stress-free. Most of these parents, by the way, enjoy every time they are here. They say, comedy, you know, because they have a lot of stress. Yeah. So for us, we think that your industry, you know, is stress-free. But for us, you're looking like you see this every hour. This is what is there. Then you find another one, you know, every time is like being choked. That's the life, you know, we see them every day in and out. Then you also pity the parents who stay with them even at home. Yeah. And you find that most of these parents, like you see, most of them are women. The men have already abandoned the homes. Yeah? The moment the woman delivers a child with a disability, the first thing the man says, you know, for us in our clan, that has never happened. This must be coming from your side. Very few men, we have men who are committed, but very few. Out of 100, you may find like 7. But the rest actually just leave the women there. Now you find a woman who has a family, maybe she has like 7 kids or 8. Then there's this one with a disability, she has to fend for the family. Now she's meeting so many other demands that she was not used to because of this child that is born. So you find they are in a very, very heavy situation. And that's why they need a lot of stuff. Support. So we have counselors who will attend to them, try to talk to them, and you know, so that they come to terms with reality. Because they are not going to throw away the kids. When the men run away, it's the women who remain behind. So these ladies, some of them are caretakers, but others are the parents. They really need a lot of support. So when Prosi told me, I said, oh, that is good. It's very rare to find such a team. Just thinking about Ekatalemwa, I don't know where the idea came from. I don't know who got the idea, but we are really very, very grateful. Just even thinking about us. Yeah? Because it's very rare. So you are most welcome. We are really very honored to have you here. And there's nothing we can take for granted. And we think this is the beginning of a very long-term relationship with you. Yeah, the fact that you thought about it, even before we approached you, we think you will think about it again. And even in case you also want a formal MOU, for us, we don't mind. Even if you decide just to support one kid or with a parent, either through a surgery or to buy an appliance, all that is all welcome. So we are very, very welcome. And we are, you are very welcome, and we are very happy to receive you here. And thank you so much. This is a very good gesture that you've showed even to the community out there. So I thank you so much for listening to